So you're going to want to log in with your Azure account. You'll see the splash screen. Verify your information at the top and store is correct. You can switch your store, and that'll update your information. The item catalog has all the items that we have at Serv-U-Success. End users will not see the selected column. That's for sales to make items be available within the application. It's a searchable list. Orders. A new order and editing orders is similar. You're editing your order. You want to add another item. You can click an item. Quantity that you choose has to be greater than 5. You can add it to your cart. You'll see that the cart up top shows the quantity that you've added. You can click that to go to the checkout, or you can add more items. You can also add an item by barcode. You can sort the list as well. When you scan the item, it'll bring up your item just like before. Add the correct quantity, add it to the cart. You can go to your checkout. You'll notice now the quantities are both there. You can edit the quantity or you can delete the item here. Click on that to edit the quantity. You'll hit update and update cart. And now you can submit the order. Click the order history and that order will be there and you can view it. And that's it for Item Manager.
Log in with Azure.